Welcome to Math Tutorials. In this video, we are solving every question of exercise 4.1 of Chapter 4, Determinants, from the NCERT Mathematics textbook for Class 12, Part 1. Exercise 4.1 has 8 questions introducing determinants, evaluating 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 determinants, the scaling rule for determinants of k times a, and solving determinant equations. Here are the questions. Question 1, our first determinant. For a 2 by 2, it is the product of the main diagonal minus the product of the other diagonal. Main diagonal, 2 times minus 1. Off diagonal, 4 times minus 5. Subtract. That gives 18. Question 2. A trigonometric determinant, then an algebraic one. Both fall to the same diagonal rule. Part 1, cosine squared minus sine squared. Cosine squared plus sine squared, which is 1. Part 2, the diagonal product is x squared minus x plus 1 times x plus 1. The sum of cubes pattern giving x cubed plus 1. The off-diagonal product is x minus 1 times x plus 1, which is x squared minus 1. Subtracting. X cubed plus 1 minus x squared plus 1, x cubed minus x squared plus 2. Question 3. Doubling a 2 by 2 matrix multiplies its determinant by 4. We verify both sides. The determinant of a 2 minus 8 minus 6. Now 2 doubles every entry, and its determinant is 8 minus 32. And 4 times the determinant of a is 4 times minus 6, minus 24. Both sides agree. Question 4, the 3 by 3 version. Tripling the matrix multiplies the determinant by 27. A is triangular, so expanding along the first column, 1 times the 2 by 2 minor. Triple every entry for 3a. Its determinant, expanding down the first column, 3 times 36 minus 0, 108. And 27 times 4 is also 108, shown. Question 5. For 3 by 3 determinants, each expanded along the first row with every cofactor written. Watch Part 3. A skew-symmetric matrix whose determinant tells its own story. Part 1 expanding along row 1, 3 cofactors, each written in full. The minors evaluate to minus 5, 3, and 0, giving minus 15 plus 3, minus 12. Part 2 expanding along the first row, 3 times 7, plus 4 times 5, plus 5 times 1. Part 3, 0 minus 1 times minus 6, plus 2 times minus 3, 0, as every odd-order skew determinant must be. And Part 4, 2 times minus 5, plus 1 times 3, minus 2 times minus 6, 5. Question 6, one more 3 by 3. Expand along the top row with all working. The 3 cofactors, minus 9 plus 12, minus 18 plus 15, and 8 minus 5. That is 3 plus 3 minus 6, 0. A singular matrix. Question 7. 2 determinant equations, evaluate each side, then solve. Part 2 hides a linear equation. Part 1 a quadratic. Part 1 left side, 2 minus 20 is minus 18. Right side, 2x squared minus 24. Equate 2x squared is 6, x squared is 3, x is plus or minus root 3. Part 2 left side, 10 minus 12 is minus 2. Right side, 5x minus 6x is minus x. So minus x equals minus 2, x is 2. The final question, one more determinant equation. Evaluate both sides and equate. Left side, x squared minus 36. Right side, 36 minus 36, 0. X squared equals 36, so x is plus or minus 6. That completes exercise 4.1. That completes all 8 questions of exercise 4.1. In the next video, we will take up exercise 4.2 on the area of a triangle by determinants. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like it, subscribe to math tutorials, and share it with your friends.